कॉलेज है, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली ये सेंट्रल काउंसिल फॉर रिसर्च इन होम्योपैथी जो एक रिसर्च बॉडी है होम्योपैथी का, उसके अंडर आता है ना। तो इट्स अ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, ये एक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट है। महाराष्ट्र में कभी गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं सुना है ना। तो आउट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ऐसे बहुत सारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट हैं, तो उसका एक पार्ट है ना। उसका बेनिफिट क्या है वो सब हम लोग बाद में बात करेंगे। तो ये उसका रिसेप्शन एरिया है, यहाँ पे पेशेंट्स आके रिसेप्शन में अपना नाम टोकन वगैरह लेते हैं, और उस तरफ भी ओपीडी है और इस तरफ भी ओपीडी है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग पहले ये वाला ओपीडी करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उस तरफ जाएंगे। तो ये साइकेट्री ओपीडी है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइकेट्री एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइकेट्री असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, एंड इन्होंने यहीं पे पीजी किया है। हमारी स्टूडेंट है, यहाँ की स्टूडेंट है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइकेट्री की। तो कैन यू जस्ट गिव देम सम आइडिया अबाउट साइकेट्री बिकॉज़ दे वांट टू नो अबाउट बुक्स एंड ऑल। हां, अब कौन से कॉलेज से बता दो?
सांगली कोल्हापुर।
ओके
आर पटेल होम्योपैथिक मेडिकल कॉलेज फ्रॉम सांगली। नहीं, यहाँ पे पीजी है, पीजी साइकेट्री, मेडिसिन एंड पीडियाट्रिक।
The students are first BHMS only.
फर्स्ट ईयर
According to that, yes. According to that, you should tell.
about the books about our
about
department
books,
psychiatry.
Everything about-
everything.
Everything about institute and
Okay,
like that.
okay. Now, psychiatry department, we are having different OPs in psychiatry. General psychiatry and child psychiatry daily working. In general psychiatry, depending upon the project of this institute, different types of project OPs are also working, like depression, autism, substance abuse, ADHD, different OPs are also there. In child psychiatry, separately is also there. Autism OP is working on Monday. Otherwise, general OPs are there. 3 general OPs are, general psychiatry OPs are working. And we are having 12 PG students in psychiatry part now, first part. So 3 batches are there currently. And their academic curriculum is like a morning they are having OPD duty, afternoon they are having general presentations, seminars and clinical discussions.
Yes. Yes.
Any books that you would recommend?
Books, especially the psychiatry we are following in the first part like Morgan, this one. Morgan psychiatry.
Morgan's, yes.
Along with the plan and set of comprehensive and synopsis of psychiatry we are following.
Elizabeth Hurlock books also.
Am I?
Elizabeth Hurlock. Elizabeth Hurlock.
No.
Developmental psychology.
That
child psychology.
currently we are not. We have a list of books,
Yes.
but we can choose anything depending upon the syllabus.
It's Morgan.
Yeah, several books we can follow during seminars or not. We have to refer all those things for the purpose of academic.
Yes. Thank you.
Related homeopathic books
Home library we are having homeopathic books also.
also there.
Yes.
We are interested in treatment and results.
Yes. So this is basically OPD area.
Okay.
We'll go for IPD later. After completing OPD, we'll go IPD.
Okay.
Inpatients है यहाँ पे,
Yes.
जो psychiatric patients हैं, सेल है, मतलब जो बहुत aggressive cases हैं उनको सेल में डाला जाता है।
अच्छा।
एक कंसल्टेंट भी है, ठीक है। वीकली प्राइस 3 दिन आते हैं वो। तो अगर बहुत वायलेंट हो जाते हैं पेशेंट वगैरह, तो उनको
Also, those most of the cases coming here are currently using allopathic medication. They want to taper their allopathic medication. So, in order to modify their dosages, we are having allopathic psychiatrist.
Yes.
His consultant.
Yes.
अभी तो related dementia का
Yeah, dementia cases are also.
dementia cases in more.
Not more. They are also there. More cases we are getting in depression, schizophrenia, alcohol abuse.
Schizophrenia is challenging. Yes.
In Kerala, alcoholism is a very big issue. Okay, so it may be different in Maharashtra, but Kerala, Punjab, यहाँ पे सब alcoholism का बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Availability is also more.
Yeah, availability is also more. COVID में जब पूरा lockdown था, सब lockdown था except alcoholic shops.
Yes.
Legally they allowed it.
Yes.
Okay, so that is the scenario.
अपने पास भी वही था.
We are from Maharashtra. Dr. Memuna, they are from Maharashtra. First they are okay, so they want to know about our hospital. So one of you just explain what exactly it is. You can go ahead because you are from Maharashtra. She is a student from Maharashtra. She did? No, Gujarat. Did your BHMS in Maharashtra? In Gujarat. Okay. So we have got like students from everywhere. Okay. So one student, 2 of them are from Maharashtra. Yeah. So she's from Gujarat. So after completing your BHMS, we are also welcome to clear your PG entrance test and come here. So please explain what exactly this OPD is.
Today we are having child psychiatry OPD. She is my senior for third year psychiatry. She is my junior, Dr. Lisa, first year PGT. Every OPD we have students from all 3 years. Because today sir is not there, so she